Welcome back to FX Limit. If you're a beginner in the world of Forex trading, choosing the right currency pairs to trade can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, today we'll walk you through the top 5 Forex pairs that are perfect for beginners and explain why they're ideal choices for your trading journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of which pairs to focus on and how our Apex Trend Indicator can help you make informed decisions. Let's dive right in. First on our list is the EUR/USD. This pair is the most traded in the Forex market, making up a significant portion of the total trading volume. The euro and the US dollar are two of the most stable and widely recognized currencies, which means that the pair typically exhibits lower volatility compared to others. For beginners, this stability is crucial as it allows you to get a feel for the market without dealing with extreme price swings. Moreover, the high liquidity ensures tighter spreads, which means lower transaction costs for you. Next up is the GBP/USD. Known as cable, this pair consists of the British pound and the US dollar. It's another highly liquid pair, providing ample trading opportunities with relatively predictable movements. The GBP/USD is known for its responsiveness to economic news, especially from the UK and the US. This characteristic can be advantageous for beginners who are keen on trading news events, as the pair often shows clear reactions to economic data releases. However, keep in mind that it can be slightly more volatile than the EUR/USD, so always use proper risk management strategies. Our third recommended pair is the USD/JPY. This pair involves the US dollar and the Japanese yen. One of the main reasons it's great for beginners is its relatively low spreads and high liquidity. The USD/JPY is also known for its clear trends and ranges, making it easier to analyze and trade. Additionally, the pair is influenced by macroeconomic factors and interest rate differentials between the US and Japan, which are easier to follow and understand. The Apex Trend Indicator can help you spot these trends and make well-timed entries and exits. The fourth pair to consider is the AUD/USD. The Australian dollar and the US dollar form this pair, which is influenced heavily by commodity prices, particularly gold and iron ore. For beginners interested in trading commodities indirectly, the AUD/USD offers a unique opportunity. The pair tends to trend well, making it suitable for trend-following strategies. Our Apex Trend Indicator can provide you with precise buy and sell signals, helping you take advantage of these trends with confidence. Last but not least, we have the USD/CAD. This pair features the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. The Canadian economy is closely tied to the oil market, so the USD/CAD often correlates with oil price movements. This provides an additional layer of predictability, as you can analyze oil market trends to anticipate movements in the USD/CAD pair. Like the AUD/USD, this pair also tends to trend well, making it easier for beginners to trade. With the Apex Trend Indicator, you can easily monitor trend directions and signal alerts, ensuring you stay on top of the market movements. Now that we've covered the top 5 Forex pairs for beginners, let's talk briefly about how the Apex Trend Indicator can assist you in trading these pairs effectively. The Apex Trend Indicator is a powerful tool designed to help you identify favorable trends and profitable trading opportunities. Whether you're trading the EUR/USD or the USD/CAD, this indicator provides non-repainting buy and sell signals, ensuring you always have the most accurate information. It supports multiple pairs and timeframes, so you can easily switch between different currency pairs and adjust your strategy as needed. The Trend Scanner feature of the Apex Trend Indicator shows you at a glance whether a specific pair is in an uptrend or downtrend. This is particularly useful for beginners, as it simplifies the analysis process and helps you make quicker decisions. Additionally, the trade signals alerts can be sent directly to your mobile phone or desktop, so you never miss an opportunity to enter or exit a trade. With its advanced algorithm, the Apex Trend Indicator ensures high accuracy in detecting profitable signals, giving you the confidence to trade even as a beginner. In summary, starting your Forex trading journey with the right currency pairs can make a significant difference in your learning curve and success rate. The EUR/USD, GBP/USD, USD/JPY, AUD/USD, and USD/CAD are all excellent choices for beginners due to their stability, liquidity, and predictability. By incorporating the Apex Trend Indicator into your trading toolkit, you'll have a reliable ally to help you navigate the market with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to FX Limit for more tips and insights on Forex trading. Happy trading!